From darkness to determination, Beeston Spring is slowly rewiring its future one connection at a time. This after more than 500 residents benefited from a Community Connect fair spearheaded by the Jamaica Public Service JPS. As Sandy Williams reports, power is expected to be restored in the community by the start of April.
A little over 4 months after flood waters and fierce winds tore through Beeston Spring in Westmoreland, residents finally got a different kind of drop, not from a helicopter, but from helping hands on the ground. The Jamaica Public Service Community Connect Fair.
We figured that it says Community Connect Fair, we want to connect with the residents of Beeston Spring.
Because when Hurricane Melissa battered western Jamaica, Beeston Spring was left marooned. Helicopters had to airdrop care packages as damaged roads cut off access. Homes were ripped apart. Poles were downed, and for many, life literally went dark. Now, JPS says it's about more than restoring electricity, it's about restoring hope.
We saw it fitting to partner with other agencies. So instead of them going out, we brought the services to them. Because the meaning of community renewal is really to bring social intervention with technical solutions and partnerships.
Assessments revealed one of the biggest needs is house wiring, a critical step before power can safely flow again.
We have signed up several persons for new house wiring assistance, and persons who are never on the grid, they're here to sign up to become on the grid as customers. And also with JSIF here, they're going to be giving assistance to persons whose houses would have been damaged during the hurricane with rewiring.
The Jamaica Social Investment Fund, JSIF, is also stepping in. Since the hurricane, the agency has responded in more than 9 affected communities under its $1 billion National Energy Poverty Reduction Program, targeting support for 2,700 households.
You have persons who were farmers that were never registered. They are here registering today. You have the farmers who would have lost property. That's one of the services they're getting. We have PICA, persons can come and apply for their passports and stuff. RGD, and what that is that JPS is taking on the cost of at least 200 persons so they can get access to their birth certificate, marriage certificate, and death certificates for their loved ones.
But residents say rebuilding also requires construction materials.
Even giving us back like some nails and zinc and board and them thing there, go to before and so forth to somebody, Some people can put up a little roof and so forth because some people still under the canvas. You understand? Even the cold fronts are gone, what here? Oh my God, man. When the breeze come and take all them canvas there, you out in the cold again and rain. All the little things that you may have, even little clear packages that people give you, wet up. People don't have nothing to eat and something there again, So people really need help. Even the road, oh God, man, in a terrible condition.
And those roads remain a major hurdle.
The roads are destroyed. They are on mountainous terrain where the rock consistency is very dense, so it's going to take some time for us to get the holes dug, get the poles planted, to get the conductors strong to restore supply. But we met with the community 2 weeks ago. We gave them our undertaking that by the end of March, going into the early part of April, they should expect to get their supply restored.
The community is really appreciative of it, and we can see by the crowd and the turnout, and not persons from Beeston Spring, but we have adjoining community really come and so, because as we say, majority of the houses in Beeston Spring are board houses, and Melissa has destroyed them totally. And personally, it would be very difficult for persons to really rebuild. So with this assistance today, it has helped our community far away.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.